What's up, YouTube? It's the 20 Trader here. This video is just a basic overview of my strategy because I'm going to do weekly updates. So I want you to be able to see how I view the market, right? So I'm just going to cover a couple of trades that I'm looking to take within the week. So, we can see whether I'm right or wrong. Who knows? But either way, this strategy is a trend following strategy. Shout out to Rainer Tio. He says, trade with the trend from an area of value. In that case, my area of value is going to be the 20 period exponential moving average. All right. So this strategy was covered by Trade Pro. Shout out to Trade Pro. He does a ton of different strategies that, have back testing and this and that. So he covered this strategy at one point. So I'm just going to break down how I use it really quick so we can follow along in the videos to come. So I'm going to be using three indicators. It's going to be exponential moving averages, right? So I'm using the 20 period exponential moving average, and I like to view that as my area of value, okay? And I use the 200 period just to give me an overall idea of where price is. So if price is above the 200, most of the time you want to start to buy, right? Because it's in a long-term uptrend. Also, it helps you avoid trading in a range. When the 200 starts to flatten out, that lets you know you're getting into a range. So the downfall of a trend following system is when you're in a range, it doesn't work, right? So you're going to get chopped up. Price just starts whipping through the 200, and you're going to be in, you're out. I'm short, I'm long. You just get whipsawed. So to avoid that, we like to see the price action above the 200 with some distance. So the rules for entry on this, well, where I enter is at the 20. All right, so this is a daily time frame. So I'm going to get the overall trend from the daily, but I'm taking trades on the 4-hour, right? So let's go to the 4-hour time frame right here so we can take a look. So, the additional super indicator I use is the super trend. Okay, so this is just default settings on Webull, the super trend. And what it does is it just basically gives you a non-bias indicator to tell you what the trend is, right? So when the trend is green, it means it wants you to buy, right? When the trend is red, it wants you to sell. So with that being said, when super trend is red, we're looking to take short positions, right? We're under the 200 exponential, and super trend is pointed down. So we're looking to buy at the 20, right? So when price pulls back into the 20, I'm taking a short position because that is my area of value, right? Price can get away from the 20, but it always seems to come back to the 20. All right, so that's the premise behind this strategy. So this here is a trade that I'm already in. So IWM is going to be the Russell 2000 ETF. So I trade the triple weighted ETFs, which is going to be the TZA. TZA is the bearish version of the small caps, right? So the inverse of the IWM is TZA. The bearish version of this is going to be TNA, right? So I watch the IWM and then I take trades in TZA or TNA. So price came back to the 20. So I took a small position and I got long, right? But this chart isn't the chart I'm trading. Do you understand what I'm saying? I'm trading the IWM chart. So when price came into the 20, right? Price is in the 20. Now I'm going short. So that being said, If you got any questions, throw them down in the comment section. I primarily trade, like I said, triple weighted ETFs and foreign exchange. I use Webull. Webull's excellent. I'm not affiliated with them, obviously. I just trade on their platform. I can deposit and retrieve money, no questions asked. So I'll throw my link in the description. They're giving out some free stocks. And with that being said, players, let's trade this 20. I'm going to see you in the next video.